Greetings everyone, welcome to Camray Naturals channel. I go by the name Betty Moraa. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Camray Naturals. I'm with my co-founder who also happens to be my better half. I'll give him a chance to say hi to the new Camray family.
Hi guys, my name is Betty Moraa, co-founder Camray Naturals. I hope by the end of this session you will be able to know more about us.
So guys, one of the main reasons I decided to start Camray Naturals was because I really suffered from eczema since I was a baby, and I actually managed to control the condition. However, in 2018, I got a baby, a daughter, who really had severe eczema, and it took us a really long time to try and manage the condition. So throughout this period, I had a chance to really dive into doing deep research, and which later led me to enroll myself into Formula Botanica, which is a UK-based college where I had to specialize in organic skin and hair care formulation. So us as Camray Natural, we would like to take you through this journey, giving you detailed insights about our products and how to identify your skin type and hair type. And also we will be sharing with you how we formulate our products and giving you tips on how you can make these products yourself, and also teach you how to maintain a healthy and glowing skin. And if you have any question and you have any particular topic that you really like to understand more in regards to the skin and the hair, leave a comment below. Write to us through our Instagram and through this YouTube channel. And also, guys, you can subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button so that you can get notification whenever we release a new videos. Hasta la vista, guys.